Hello, praisers and savers. My name is Sandy, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are heading to CVS. These deals at CVS are running from December the 31st until January the 13th, 2024. CVS is now changing their sales where they are just doing them every 2 weeks instead of just once a week. So we're going to see those deals for about 2 weeks. Now, in this video, I only use digital coupons coming from the CVS app, the ShopMium app, or a variety of rebate apps like IBOTTA, Fetch, Shopkicks, and Swagbucks. If you are not using any of the rebate apps like Shopkick, Swagbucks, Fetch, or Ibotta, please look in the description box for a referral code. You get a kickback, and I get a kickback as well. And that's also how I'm able to get freebies and money makers. If you love the things that you see on this video, please always give a thumbs up and also comment your favorite deal of the day. It helps me a ton when you guys are engaged. As always, there is a printable breakdown in the description box. No need to write these deals down. All you need to do is go to the description box, click on printable breakdown, and you can pull it up in the store with you as you shop. Let's get started on these deals. So starting us off, I have a $7 off 70 purchase. So I'm going to make sure that whenever I'm checking out at the register, that my subtotal is $70. Don't look at what the register says because that will mess you up. Make sure your subtotal. Ask the person at the register if it's at $70 in order to get these off. Now, the first thing we're going to do is these Burt's Bees masks. Now, the Burt's Bees masks, the ones that I got, were $3.19. Some people might have a coupon, but I didn't. So you're going to pick up 2 of them. Your total is going to be $6.38. There is a $4 extra care buck that you will get back at the end of the transaction. So your total after the $4 extra care buck is $2.38 or $1.19 each. I also wanted to mention that you could do this deal twice. You could pick up like 4 packs of the mask and get back $8 in extra care bucks. And that's what I did. I went ahead and just got as much as I could for this deal. So I've never tried this, but this is the Hims and the Hers, different shampoos. And it says $13.49 on the shelf, but it was actually $12.99. There is a $3 coupon on the CVS app. And so we're going to use that. Now, choose what you want to use, but there's also a $7 extra care buck that you're going to get back at the end of this transaction. So with that $3 coupon and that $7 and extra care bucks, your total for this Hims and Hers shampoo is $2.99. There is a spend 30, get a $10 extra care buck back on, it's called the Wellness. So there's a lot of different things in the Wellness. But I'm just going to stick to my tried and true P&G products. So in the printable breakdown, it does say PG products. Now, these 2 products here are going to be almost $30, which is fine. I'll show you what to do. So the first thing you're going to do is pick up one of the Tide. The Tide is $14.99. There is a $3 coupon on the CVS app. So that's going to come off and it's going to make it $11.99. Then you're going to pick up the Gain. This is the Gain. That's the 61 loads, 88 fluid ounces. It's also going to be $14.99. Also, we have a $3 coupon that's going to come off from the CVS app. So you've got those 2 coupons that are going to come off both of these products at $6 in coupons. We're going to get back $10 in extra care bucks. So your total for this is going to be $13.98 for the both, or $6.99. This does work. Even if we're not at $30, we're still within that 98% threshold for extra care bucks, and you're still going to be able to get that $10 extra care bucks back because the total's at $29.98, but we're still in that threshold, so you'll still get it. So for each one, it's $6.99. you've been following me for a while, you know that I like to get cereal from pharmacies. And so the General Mills cereal, the tag says $7.59. You're right. That is ridiculous. But I know they don't ever charge that for it, but these are on sale for $1.99. Picking up 2 boxes, your total is going to be $3.98. On the CVS app, there is a $1 coupon when you buy 2 of the General Mills products. That $1 coupon will come off at the register and it will make the total $2.98. Then you'll head on over to IBOTTA. IBOTTA has a $1 IBOTTA rebate when you buy 2. It's going to make your total for both of them after the IBOTTA rebate and the coupon $1.98 or 99 cents per box of cereal. So the Neutrogena and Aveeno cleansing are going to be on a spend 25, get a $10 gift card. No, excuse me, $10 extra care buck. It has to be on the cleansing things like the face cleansing, not the lotion and not the body wash. So what you're going to do is you're going to pick up 4 of these Neutrogena wipes. They're $7.29. It's going to total to $29.16 at the register. So at first, I thought the first coupon that you see there was a store coupon because it said 3 off 10, but it's actually a manufacturer. And then there's another manufacturer coupon. When you buy 2 Neutrogena products, $3 will come off. So you have to pick up 4. You got to pick up 2 and 2. So that's $6 in coupons that's going to come off at the register. Your total at the register is going to be $23.16 with those 2 coupons. Then you're going to get back $10 in extra care bucks that you can use on the next transaction. With those 2 coupons and the extra care bucks, your total is going to be $13.16 or about $3.29 per pack of Neutrogena wipes products. And you can mix and match and get other types of Neutrogena products, but I felt the wipes were the best because they were the lowest and I needed to buy 4 so I could use those 2 coupons. All right, praisers and savers, that is all I have for you today. This was a small but mighty haul at CVS. Remember that these deals are running for 2 weeks now at CVS. These are starting December the 31st, and they are running all the way to January the 13th. So they're doing a new thing at CVS where the deals are running for 2-week period of time. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you guys in the next one.